morning. It is Vlogmas day 19. I don't really know what's going on today. I'm definitely going to work. But first we're gonna open a Funko Pop.
We are on December 18th. Is this Draco? Yes. It's Draco in his robes, and Cruz was pointing out actually that the only student, like main character student, no, he's wrong. He said the only student we have so far that doesn't have robes is Hermione, but Luna doesn't have robes and Fred and George don't have robes. So never mind. But Ginny, Ron, and Harry have robes. But yeah, here's the little Draco. His hair all slicked back. Alright. So we have McGonagall, Harry, Dobby, Hedwig, Dumbledore, Ginny, Malfoy, Voldemort, Hermione, Ron, Luna, Thestral, Neville, Fred, George, Hagrid, and Moaning Myrtle. Alright, and we have a whole week to go.
Hello! I just got out of work. I've been there all day. It's now almost 5 o'clock. It is the week of our Christmas services, so it's insanely busy at work and everyone's just trying to get that like last push of work in. So I have been just crazy running around, and then also there's just like a lot of waiting to do today because I rushed to get all this work done, and then I had to stop and just wait for approvals from everyone before I could send it off to print or order it or anything. So that was super fun. I'm heading home now. I think I'm gonna work on some ears. This is my last impression for my snap correct. I feel like this one might have gone wrong because the putty does not feel quite the same in my mouth as the other ones did. I don't know if you can even understand me right now, but it's not important anyway.
All of my impressions are in here. These are all for my top teeth because I've already sent them the ones for my bottom teeth, and they got a clean one on that, and then they had to send me a new pack for my upper teeth because I didn't do a good job on them. So I'm putting those in the box that they give me, and this is already pre-labeled, so you don't have to worry about any of that. You can see it's already pre-labeled to them, so that you don't have to worry about it. They send that to you that way, and it comes with this little sticker so that you can just seal the box. You don't have to worry about taping it. It's pretty awesome. I know it says return by. I've been really bad at remembering to do this, so I'm going to have Cruz put this in our mailbox at our condo because that one has a slot for packages, and then it'll be on its way, and hopefully they'll be able to start making my trays.
I don't know why both of my brothers got braces, and for some reason I got skipped over. Middle child syndrome, I guess. And everyone's like, oh, you don't need them. And I will admit they have gotten worse since I've gotten older. I don't think they were always this bad, like when I was a little kid. But my brothers never wore their retainers, and now their teeth look like they literally never had braces, and they wasted all that money on them. I literally would have always worn my retainer because but now I'll prove everyone wrong with my snap correct invisible liners. Invisible aligners. Yeah.
And you get a big break. So everybody has to take off anyway. And
So I'm hanging out with Cruz's mom, just watching like Hallmark movies and HGTV, and I get a call from Cruz that our refrigerator has completely died. So we knew it wasn't actually working properly. So we have had a technician come and look at it, and they got the parts to fix it and everything, and they're supposed to actually come on Thursday to fix it, which right now it's Tuesday. But Cruz got home after being gone all day and said pretty much everything in the fridge has either started going bad or already gone bad. Like there's nothing in the fridge is cold anymore. So I'm rushing over there now with some coolers and some ice to hopefully rescue him a little bit from that situation. But so stressful. Homeowner problems, y'all. This is our refrigerator now. 2 coolers.
We just had the guy come out to fix it because we knew the fan motor broke, but now it's not doing anything.
Like the lights come on,
but this is totally blanked out. There's no cold air in here whatsoever.
The milk went bad, so that's not a good sign.
No. So all our food's in there.
We're supposed to have the guy come on Thursday to fix what he was supposed to fix, but I don't know if that's even gonna fix the problem. So now we're taking out garbage. So I'm done rescuing Cruz now, and I'm at home, and yeah, hopefully the refrigerator tech can fix our problem. If any of you are about to buy your first home, 1,035% recommend you buy homeowners warranty because it has saved us. We bought our condo, and within the first month, literally every single appliance broke. And with our homeowners warranty, we have only had to pay like $75 to have each one repaired. Not sponsored, just saying it's a great deal to have a homeowner's warranty of your choice, whichever one you want. I'm going to bed now because it is almost midnight, and I think I might take a solo trip to Disneyland tomorrow, which will be fun. If not, I'll end up doing something fun, but I think I'm gonna end up at Disneyland because it just sounds like a fun thing to do. But that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below who your favorite YouTuber is. Not me. I know I am, but you know, your second favorite YouTuber. And if you're not already, please click the subscribe button for plenty more magical geeky goodness, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye-bye.